We've been told that fat makes you fat. Well, that's actually not true. There are many forms of fat that we have. Saturated fat, which is typically fat that we would have in meat products or even in dairy products. We then have what are called monounsaturated fats. Those are typically things like olive oil. Interestingly enough, monounsaturated fats are not really stored as energy. The last one is polyunsaturated fats. Those are things like fish oil. Those are the omega-3s that you get from flaxseed oil, you get from chia seeds. Those fats are not burned as fuel. They're actually used in cell membranes, or they're used as a structural form for us. Frankly, they also serve many other positive properties, but they're not used as a fuel source. It really is saturated fats that we use as our fuel source. Now, the problem with saturated fats too is that there's a breakdown with those as well. We have what are called short chain fatty acids. Again, those are not used as fuel sources, even help us with blood sugar control, interestingly. The second group is medium chain triglycerides. We find these in things like dairy products like milk, cream, butter, etc. These also are somewhat fuel sources for us, but we don't store them. We either burn them as a fuel source or they pass on through, but we don't actually store them in our fat cells. The last group is going to be the heavy chain fatty acids that we do store in fat cells. Interestingly, when we talk about calories in, calories out, or losing the fat to lose the fat, it depends on what type of fat you take in as to whether it's a problem.